Nemo, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be in the ocean. Come on, kids, let's meet Nemo there. Tropical fish are colourful and fast. They dart around in coral reefs, creating a vibrant underwater world full of life and excitement. It's like a bustling city down there, with fish of all shapes, sizes and colours swimming about in the warm, clear waters. Let's dive deeper into the world of tropical fish, where some, like the clownfish, have fascinating relationships with sea anemones. These fish hide among the anemones, which protect them from danger. In return, the fish keep the sea anemones clean and safe. It's like having a best friend who always looks out for you. This special bond is called a symbiotic relationship. Many tropical fish also have unique patterns and markings to help them blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. These colourful fish add beauty and excitement to the ocean's coral reefs. Fish facts. They are found in warm ocean waters with vibrant coral reefs. They come in a wide variety of colours, shapes and sizes, adding to the beauty of coral reef ecosystems. Many tropical fish have unique patterns and markings to help them camouflage and avoid predators, making them fascinating creatures to observe in their natural habitat. Did you know? Some tropical fish, like clownfish, live in symbiotic relationships with sea anemones, providing protection in exchange for food and shelter. These fascinating partnerships contribute to the health and diversity of coral reef ecosystems. How did you do, adventurers? I know you did wonderful. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing animals. Wow, what an adventure! The world of animals is truly amazing and full of wonder. We should do our best to protect and preserve it for future generations to enjoy. We'll explore, learn and protect our amazing world of animals. Bye, adventurers! I can't wait until I see you on the next adventure. Bye!